Welcome to this Profundus video series. In this series, we cover the full lifecycle of computer vision projects, from creating and refining datasets to reviewing annotations, training models, and deploying them into production-ready systems. In this first video, we focus on setting up a new project and creating your first annotations using the detect workflow. This is the welcome screen of Profundus. At this point, no project has been created or opened yet. This is where every workflow begins, and from here, we can either start something new or continue working on existing data. You can see three main options here. The first one creates a new project. The second allows you to load an existing project. And the third option lets you import a project that was exported from another machine. For now, we will create a new project. Clicking this button opens a dialog where we can define the project name and select the project type. Currently, Profundus supports three project types: detect, classify, and segment. Additional types are planned and will be introduced in future versions of the application. We name our project detect example and confirm the selection. Once created, the project automatically opens in a new tab, ready for use. We are now inside the project. This is the main working area of Profundus. At the top, you can see several tabs, including Images, Training, Builder, and Observo. In this video, we will focus only on the Images tab. To start working, we first need to bring images into the project. There are three options available: import video, import images, and import recording. Import video extracts frames from a video file. Import recording allows capturing images directly from a connected camera. For this example, we will use import images to load existing image files. Clicking Import Images opens a dialog where we can choose or create a dataset. For now, we will use the default dataset called Dataset 1, which is already available. Images can be added by dragging and dropping them into the gray area or by selecting them through the Import Images button. Both methods achieve the same result. Profundus automatically checks for existing annotation files in the same directory. If any are found, it will ask whether they should be imported and request a matching classes file. In our case, no annotations are present. Before importing, we can optionally configure settings such as format conversion or image resizing. Once everything is configured, we start the import. After completion, all images appear in the image tree on the left side. We can navigate through them using the arrow keys. To begin annotating, we simply click, hold, and drag with the left mouse button to draw a bounding box on the image. If no classes exist yet, Profundus will ask for a class name after releasing the mouse button. We enter a name, confirm it, and this creates our first class and first annotation. The box we see on the image is called an annotation. It represents an object instance and is associated with a specific class. Additional classes can be added using the Add Classes button in the bottom right. All available classes are displayed above it. To choose which class to annotate, we simply click on it in the list. The cursor color changes accordingly, indicating the currently active class. Class colors can be adjusted using the Class Colors button. This helps to visually distinguish different annotations in complex scenes. Annotations can be selected by clicking inside their bounding box. If multiple boxes overlap, repeated clicks will cycle through them. Selected annotations can be moved by dragging them with the mouse. Their size can be adjusted by dragging the corners or edges. To delete an annotation, simply select it and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Annotations can be copied using Ctrl-C and pasted using Ctrl-V. This is useful when similar objects appear multiple times in an image. Multiple annotations can be selected by holding the Control key and clicking them one by one. This allows batch operations, such as moving or copying several annotations at once. Once multiple annotations are selected, they can be moved, resized, copied, or deleted together. This significantly speeds up the annotation process. Pressing Ctrl-A selects all annotations on the current image. This is useful for quick global adjustments or cleanup. To undo any action during annotation, press Ctrl-Z. This will revert your last change. If you want to restore an action that was just undone, press Ctrl-Shift-Z to redo it. That is all for this video. We created a new project, imported images, and produced our first annotations using the Detect workflow. In the next video, we will focus on reviewing these annotations, identifying common errors, and improving overall dataset quality.